So Leomara asked me to show how to do this. So this is for my girl Leomara. So I keep all of my lesson plans um, in one big long document, but I wanted to be able to like get to a specific day, um, like as I go. So I just wanted it to be kind of quick. So here's how you can bookmark stuff so that you can get to it easily. So I'm kind of like brainstorming what I want them to do for tomorrow. So this will be for Wednesday. So what you do is you go to Insert and then you click on Links and you do Bookmark. So for, I'm going to bookmark it and this is going to be called, actually, is tomorrow Wednesday? I'm like totally blanking out. Yeah, tomorrow is Wednesday. So I'm going to add a little Wednesday tag. Up here, all of this stuff is, oh, that was for Thursday. Ugh, that's why I'm so confused. Okay, so I'm going to put a Tuesday tag in for today. I'm going to try and show how it'll take you to Tuesday immediately. So I'm going to insert my link, bookmark. This is Tuesday, and I'll add that. So the cool thing is when you go here to bookmark, you can choose your day and click go to, boop, and it takes you to that spot. So that's how you bookmark stuff and use it in Word. Ta-da!